Hello everyone and welcome back to the Spiegel Mom Scraps channel. It's Caitlin here with another process video. Today I'm working with my May How to Kill a Kit with Style kit that I created, and I used this little page kit here, which has this beautiful floral paper, a nice pink geometric background, and then a gold polka dot. And I just showed you the up close of the two photos I'm using on this layout, which are two of my graduation photos. So first I'm going to start off by trimming that floral paper and then gutting the middle of this pink paper. If you have a trimmer like this, it's fairly easy to gut your paper if you want to use that pattern on your additional layers. I simply just put my cutter blade at the 1-inch mark and then go down to the 11-inch mark and do that around each of the sides, and then you're left with a nice 1-inch border around the outside to glue your paper to. What I originally thought I was going to do was do like a center sort of focus layout with these photos in the center. But then when I started going through my die cuts here, which a majority of these are Illustrated Faith or Vicky Boutin, in case you didn't see my kit video. So I'm going to pull out a bunch of those, focusing on the pinks, the oranges, and the yellows, and even some black to give the layout, some more cohesiveness and contrast. Originally, I thought I'd only need a pretty small section of this white and gold polka dot paper because I didn't think I'd do that many photo layers, but I ended up finding a lot of papers in my kit in my 6x6 size that would work well with that. So I do end up putting quite a bit of layers, and this is definitely not even all the way around. The pink border is pretty thick on the top and left edges versus the bottom and right edges, but that's okay too. Here I pull out one of the cut aparts from the Pink Paisley Citrus Bliss paper pad. This is a paper pad I want to use up this month. There's only 3 sheets left, and now I just took a chunk out of one of them, so that's good. Here I'm looking through my Echo Park Summer Fun paper pad. Really adore this pink color I pulled out. I think it matches pretty well with the background. I also pulled out this alphabet paper, which I didn't really realize was in this Jen Hadfield Everyday paper pad. I thought this is an education page, we'll use the alphabet, use it up. There's only one of these in the 6x6, so I thought this was a perfect way to use it. And I do use that on this one since there's less contrast in this photo compared to my cap photo. And the story behind this layout is I was taking photos with our school's mascot, and someone saw what my cap said, and they said, wow, she must be planning some big things, because my cap says off she went to change the world. And this was my college graduation back in 2017, so I thought that was a really fun moment to think about. I just wanted something cute on my cap, and that's what I happened to pick for a quote. Since I was able to gut my paper for the background edges, I'm able to also use it as a layer in the middle here with my photos, which works out pretty well because that makes it, super cohesive. You got 2 of the same shades of pink on the same layout, so that works out pretty well. So what I realized is my gold paper was too small for the rest of my layers. So I ended up doing a different plan here with layering those. And I did try to also use the scraps of the paper I had. This is the last one I believe I have of this pattern paper, the white with the gold polka dot. And the white with gold polka dot and the floral on this page are both from the DCWV Hello Darlin' stack. And then the pink geometric I've been using is from the Jen Hadfield Everyday. So here you can see I pulled out some of those Vicky Boutin die cuts I'd selected. And I also have these Rad Grad stickers from Simple Stories. Now, I didn't really realize these were 2018 stickers, so there's a couple of the stickers I won't be able to use because I don't have any photos from graduating in 2018, but we will see if we can eventually use those. So I really loved pulling out that globe that says, "Let the new adventures begin." I think bringing in more gold like that, even though it's not a foiled gold, helps bring more cohesiveness to the layout. Here I'm looking through my sticker book. I have one of the beautiful American Craft sticker books in my kit this month, and I believe this is the one that's called Everyday. And there were lots of elements I really enjoyed in this and a lot of beautiful colors. So if you guys want to see more sticker book usage here on the Spiegel Mom Scraps channel, let me know in the comments down below. Maybe we can start making some embellishment clusters with our sticker books and using some sequins to accent those. So let me know again in the comments down below if you guys would like to see that. I think I'm definitely going to film one for this month to share with you guys. I'm just not sure what type of embellishment clusters we will be creating, but I hope you guys are excited for some DIYs. Here I pulled out one of these stickers, but then I realized I wanted to glue things down first. So I do glue down my gold polka dot and then my photos, and they're matte, and that works out well. This little orange piece here I think says the best things are yet to come, or good things, really things are, I can't read it from here. Things are about to be great. Really good. It says really good. That doesn't seem like proper English, but I really like that orange pop there. I did pull out one of my old K & Company orange stickers, and then I pulled out this sticker set. I believe these are by Pebbles, but I'm not 100% sure who made this sticker set. Let me know if you guys can read what it says. This is a really hard script for even me to read, and I'm pretty good at guessing, script, because I write in cursive all the time. But it's supposed to say Wowza, which I thought was cute. Granted, the story, someone was surprised by my grad cap, and I thought that would be a fun thing to, document that people think, big things are coming. So I put that at the top there, and we are almost done with this layout. I just glued down some washi tape strips, and now I'm working on some sequining. I end up pulling out One in a Melon, Rainbow Bright, and Belle's Ball for the nice yellow in there. I know I seem to use the same sequin mixes over and over, guys, but I promise these are just because they're my favorite. And when they're in the top of my sequin pile, I tend to go for those first. But you can still get several of these in the Spiegel Mom Scrap shop, and if there's one that's sold out, you can click the Notify Me button if you guys are interested in buying it as soon as it comes back in stock. As you guys know, Jody works hard to remake the sequins and reorder all of the mixes she creates as soon as she can. So here I'm making some clusters. I did 2 for the globe, so there's one beneath the globe and one above the globe. And then there's one up by the title in the far left. I imagine my journaling on this page would go to the bottom left, but I'm not 100% sure. It's definitely going to be in strips because I don't have a good pen to use that would work well on black and white. So I definitely think I'll do some printed journaling strips in the end. I end up pulling out this gold heart. I think it looks good at the end of there. It just says Wowza there at the end. And then some gold stars. Again, just bringing in more of that foil so it has more cohesiveness. That kind of flashiness brings your eye around the page, just like the sequins do with their sparkliness, because they catch in the light due to their dimensional nature. I do pull in a couple of word stickers. I think the one at the top here says Get It Done, and then they're in a nice shade of orange that again brings out that color in the florals. But that is pretty much it for this layout, guys. Here are some close-ups. I hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe to the Spiegel Mom Scraps channel so you can see more from me and the other sparklers. Don't forget to use my code at your next purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.